Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use the paintbrush tool in your designs on Affinity. So let us get started. Head over to your design on Affinity and switch from the vector tool to the pixel tool or Pixel Studio here. You may also use the shortcut F3 for that. And then here on the left hand side you will see the paintbrush tool. You may access it by using the shortcut B as well. Click into it and then start drawing. So let me draw an emoji or smiling face like this. So guys, of course we can customize that brush. Here, starting in the top left corner, you may choose a different size of the brush using that slider here. So if I move the slider here to that, the brush will be thicker, as you can see. Then guys, what you want to do is change the opacity here using that slider to make the brush more transparent. And then guys, what you want to do also is choose the flow of the brush here. It would look like this, right? You see the difference. And then guys, let me just return to 100% here. And then guys, what you want to do is navigate to the color tab here to the right and choose your color from that, either using that circle or the triangle here. Pick your color. I will go with this one here. You may change the opacity here again and then draw by using your left mouse. And that's how you use the paintbrush tool. You may also use the color picker here and so on and so forth, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.